Hey foodies, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. So today let's make this Jamaican breakfast. Alright, so if you're Jamaican and you love a fried dumpling and your cabbage, stick around. Alright, so I have some shredded carrots, I have some scallion, some onion, and I also have some sweet pepper. Now I'm gonna add scotch bonnet pepper as well. I don't love to add the garlic. Like for me with the garlic and the cabbage, I don't know y'all, but it just don't, it give me an upsetting stomach, but everybody's different. Alright, so I have my chopped cabbage as well. I also prepared my dough ahead of time. Alright, so let it knead the dough and let it rest, and then when it's time for us to cook the cabbage, now I'm gonna add some simple natural coconut oil. Now you can add the coconut oil of your choice. Now this is not a very detailed video, as I have made fried dumpling in many different ways. I made stuffed fried dumpling with callaloo. I made a different videos. So I'm gonna leave a link where you can check out all of those videos. Alright, I'm adding all my seasoning to the pot with the cabbage. Alright, so sometimes I saute the seasoning, sometimes I just do it like this. Alright, so either ways, for me I love this way more, but maybe because I saw my mommy always do it when I grow up here. So I added the scotch bonnet pepper. When I used to something, guys, and then when I used to something, it's hard for you to adjust to something else. That's me. I remove pieces of dough, form them into a ball, and then I flatten them. Place them on the plate and let them rest until I'm ready to fry. Now I'm using vegetable oil to fry my dumplings. You can use whichever oil you like. So when the oil becomes relatively hot, you don't want it to be hot when you burn up a dumpling, but hot enough where you can fry your dumplings. Alright, now I'm gonna fry my dumplings on a medium-high flame for the first side. Alright, so you don't want to fry too high and then the dumpling outside fry crispy and nice and inside raw. Alright, forget what I say. So I'm just gonna add all my dumplings to the pot. Afterwards, when one side become golden brown and nice, and we turn them over to the other side, then I'm gonna reduce the flame to low. Alright, you want your dumpling to fry, but you want it to fry and soak throughout. Alright, where when I break a dumpling, it just perfect. Alright, so you will know when your dumpling want to turn. You'll see that the underside becoming golden brown, like at the edges. Alright, so if you turn over one of your dumplings and you say it need a brighter color, then you could always just put it back to the side that it was. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. So some I'm gonna turn, and then some them are gonna want to stay a little longer. Alright, but if you don't like your dumplings to have that nice brown, golden brown color that I like, then you could always just turn it whenever time you please. Alright guys, so remember what I said: fry the first side on a medium-high flame, and then when you turn them and them look like this, you wanna lower your flame to a low. Alright, not too low where you don't put them suck too much oil, but you don't want the flame to be too high for the other side. Alright, so let's check on our cabbage. Now the cabbage kind of shrink somewhat, so I'm gonna just give them a toss, because remember I added the salt. As you can see, guys, I did add in the black pepper, and I love cooking black pepper, but I kind of take it out of my diet. I'm giving it a break, which I'm proud of myself for that. Yes, so with the carrots, if you like, you could add more carrots. Alright, the carrots elevate your cabbage and give it that nice pop of color with the sweet pepper and all of that. But for me, that's enough carrot with my cabbage. Alright, now for me, I steam my cabbage on a low flame, because the higher the flame is, the more your cabbage shrink. Alright, I'm gonna love the juices in my cabbage, because that's where all the nutrients is. So at this point, guys, my cabbage done. Alright, so the dumplings frying on a low flame. As you can see, I'm shallow frying the dumplings. They don't have that whole heap of oil like deep frying dumpling. No guys, I'm not believing in that. Alright, so at this point, dumpling them finished fry, so I'm gonna remove them from the pot. Now you can place yours on a paper towel just to remove the excess oil. Alright, so just take them from the pot, and then you know, after finish frying all of them, then I'm gonna dish some and then I'm gonna show you the end product. Now guys, remember I said this is not detailed, alright? But if you enjoyed the video, of course, please give it a thumbs up and also share, tell others about Tamara recipes, you know. We want to grow the channel now guys, but we can't grow it without you, alright? So your support would be greatly appreciated, alright? Now just please share it on all the social media platforms. I'll be grateful, alright? Now dumpling them all done. Yes guys, some love the golden brown color. Yes, so I'm just having mine, you know, no plantains on the side, no avocado, nothing. But if you like, you can always add your side, whatever I like to eat with it on the side. Sometimes I do ripe plantains, but I didn't want any today, so I'm just having this just as it is. Alright, so I'm just a bake when I dumpling. I'm gonna see it look inside. They were so soft and nice. Yes guys, some love dumpling. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Stay tuned for more awesome videos, you know, some Jamaican authentic videos. And you know, I'm gonna pick up on yourself straight.